Fully domestic SparkLink combo module. Delivers true pass-through data transmission across SparkLink, Wi-Fi, and BLE. This video will show you how to set up the E105-WBS36 module for connection and data pass-through in SLE mode. Here are all the parts and tools we will need for this setup. First, let's move on to wiring the module. Connect the 2.4 grams antenna right here. Connect the UART1 interfaces of the two E105-WBS36 TB chips. Now plug the UART1 ports on both boards into your Type-C to USB adapter. Then use the docking station to connect the modules to your computer. The hardware connection is done. Next, let's configure the module parameters. Open the XCOM serial port debugging assistant on your computer. Open the serial port corresponding to module A using the module's default serial port parameters 115,208 and 1. Note that you should check the timestamp and word wrap. Send the command shown in the image to configure it as in SLE server. Send the command shown in the image to restart the module and make the configuration take effect. Send the command shown in the image to enter transparent transmission mode. Double-click again to open the XCOM serial port debugging assistant. Open the serial port corresponding to module B using the module's default serial port parameters 115,208 and 1. Send the command shown in the image to configure it as in SLE client. Send the command shown in the image to restart the module and apply the settings. Send the command shown in the image to connect to our SLE server. The serial port debugging assistant indicates that the SLE server is connected. Send the command shown in the image to enter transparent transmission mode. Now we will demonstrate the pass-through. You can see this by sending arbitrary data in the serial port debugging assistant. The serial port debugging assistants corresponding to the two modules receive data from each other.